Hi everyone, Tom Greaves here from Kenesto. In this short video I'm going to demonstrate our new custom properties editor. I'm working with SolidWorks 2022 Service Pack 2.0. Our custom properties editor works just fine with older versions of SolidWorks 2. So I open up custom properties. I created this custom properties template with the SolidWorks template editor. So we're going to save this file and then we'll close it. And then we'll go to the Kenesto Drive where we stored the part, right mouse button, Kenesto Properties. And here we see the custom properties. I'm going to edit them. Note when I edit the file is locked for all other users. Here's what the file looks like on the Kenesto Drive for my colleague. See the locked icon. So we're going to change the revision to revision E, and I'm going to change the manufacturing method to CNC. We're going to apply these changes. We'll close. Then we'll go back to SolidWorks and we'll open the file and we'll look at the custom properties. And we can see the revision has been updated to E and the manufacturing method has been updated to CNC. So that's it. Very simple way of editing custom properties right from your Kenesto Drive.